Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you an update on JASMY. As you can see, we're going to be doing this from a technical analysis perspective, and also we're going to be going through some very important buying areas for JASMY, and obviously trading areas, trading points that we could potentially be getting into some positions. And then to finish off the video, guys, we're going to be doing three very precise bull market targets for JASMY for the next bull market. Okay, obviously we're in a bull market, but for the next alt season, which will consist over the next 6 to 12 months or so. So without further ado, guys, let's get straight into this JASMY update. First things first, I just want to say a massive congratulations to everyone who is subscribed over on the Patreon, guys. We banged in a really great trade there worth 3.28%. So well done to all the paid members that got involved with that. Congratulations to you. I think that's maybe like 5 or 6 paid trades in a row now. Amazing stuff. But without further ado, guys, let's get straight into that. If you want to check that out, you can. Links are all in the description as well. But let's talk about JASMY right now, because this chart is getting interesting, guys. Okay, obviously the sentiment for crypto right now, super bullish. We couldn't be more bullish right now, but unfortunately for some reason JASMY is taking a bit of a pullback. And you know I will be as transparent as possible with you guys, because a lot of people just say that they're bullish all the time on coins just to get views and stuff like that. I will tell you exactly what I think is going to happen, and I won't lie to you at all about that. So first things first, upward slope and parallel channel. These tend to usually break to the downside. 1 out of 3 times, these do break to the downside for the full extension of the measure move, okay? The measure move that we are talking about in question today is actually not as bad as you think, because it goes from the top side to the lower side, and the lower side first touch is actually around 2 cents there. So this gets brought over to the break point, which the break point would actually be all the way down to this point here, okay? And that puts a TP for this short position, may I add, around this area, around 26 cents there. Now, do I think this is a good short position? Yes, I do. I think it's quite clean, super nice. You broken that level of support. I think first take profit would be really clean for this lower side, for around a 2.15% move there. And then from there, stop loss to entry. And you can let the rest run here, and you can potentially go for around a 5.71%. Do I think we're going to be going lower than that? I really don't think so, guys. I'll be completely honest with you. I think JASMY is super bullish. We're seeing a really strong micro uptrend here, challenging very important lower high micro structure here. And out of all the coins that has been performing well, I think JASMY is one on the list that should go parabolic very soon here, okay? Now, again, if we do see us come down to this sort of price that we're just talking about, the lower side of this measure move, what I would expect here, guys, is it's pretty simple. It's actually a bull flag scenario. We're going to be representing a bull flag scenario at the top of this little uptrend here. And essentially what that means, it's a continuation chart pattern, guys. So that means there will be another breakout scenario at around 2 cents 9.821, if my memory serves, okay? So overall, it's not looking too bad, guys. I think super bullish overall on the macro. Just looking at the micro again, guys, you can see momentum is actually climbing to the downside quite aggressively here. And when this does see lows, like we have seen here, guys, only naturally what happens is a massive spike to the upside, okay? And what is happening right now, we're coming down to these low periods here, so it's only natural that we just have a massive move to the upside coming through very soon. Okay, so overall looking pretty good there for JASMY. Moving on to DCA macro buying levels here, super important stuff here, guys, because on the basis that this coin does go down and the markets sort of start tanking again, we need to be prepared. We need to be looking at really strong buying areas for us to make as much money as possible, accumulating this supply for the next bull run, okay? Obviously we're in a bull run, but for the next alt season, the alt season run, okay? So my main buying point for this, if we do see us dump off the cliff, first things first, it will be the low of 26 cents, and then it will be the low of around 19 cents. These are still above market structure higher lows here on the macro, guys. So overall, we're still bullish. We're still in a bullish market structure as long as we're above 1 cent there, and that is unfortunately a level of a retracement around 49%. Do I think we're going to get there? I think it's very unlikely. You can see the last time that we did dump off a cliff, if we were going to get there, we would have got there already, in my opinion. And we saw a lot of other coins get there and smash through, but not JASMY, okay? JASMY is strong. JASMY has the community behind it. And yeah, super strong asset in my opinion. So I don't think we're going to get anywhere near that. Okay, now let's look at some bull market targets after we have seen these two buying areas for us to DCA if we do see a dump. Now, if we do carry on going down, guys, I mean, it's super unlikely, but what I would say is that just DCA at every high or low target. Okay, 14, 12, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not one, just wanted to say that, right? But yeah, definitely the areas to really be getting involved with. And remember, you make more money buying at these levels in the next alt season than you do buying at these levels, okay? But yeah, let's look at some bull market targets for this asset over the next 6 to 12 months. Just zooming out on the macro here, I think the all-time high that we've got on this chart right now for Jasmy on the weekly is actually up at around 32 cents. Now, that is a considerable move from even where we are now. We're currently priced at 2 cents, guys. So a 32-cent move is just ridiculous. Okay, it's 1,000%. It's 11x on your investment. So yeah, it's pretty juicy. Okay, in my opinion. If you're going to be getting there, I think it's not unachievable. I think a 10x is definitely on the cards there. But I personally would like to put an earlier target there and not just go straight for that 10x. So I'd like to put the all-time high as the second target. The first target will be 7 cents there, and that will consist of around a 2.5x on our investment there, and then 10x. And then what we're going to do to find our final target here, we're going to go to the all-time high here that we have on this chart, all the way down to the swing low of the bear market here, and we're going to be looking at Fibonacci extension levels now. This is dramatic, guys. This is super cycle scenario for Jasmy, and that will put us at around $6.35. Not too sure on the market cap for that, but let's have a little look here for Jasmy. I mean, Jasmy's only at 1.3 billion, so for it to get to around, I mean, 32 cents is a 10x, so that would be a $13 billion market cap. So I mean, it's 30 cents to $6.35. The market cap's just going to be way too high. It's going to be looking at like Solana levels, like $80 billion market cap. So to be more realistic, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that target, bring it down to around 1.47 and use that as a more realistic target, because that is still going to be 52x on our investment, which is pretty unlikely, but still could get there. Okay, it's a super cycle target. So yeah, definitely something that we can't rule out. Just to reiterate, guys, bull market targets, 7 cents, 32 cents, $1.47 here. Just before we end this video, guys, I want to talk to you about the Crypto Chester Patron membership here. As you can see, we offer multiple different memberships, and these range from $10 all the way up to $104 here. And this essentially gives you access to loads of different indicators that we use, loads of different strategies. You'll also get spot trading alerts, leverage trading alerts, and also if you're looking for a course to commit to trading and really aim for that financial freedom, you get a 100% discount here on all New Money Network educational courses, and that does include a crypto masterclass 6-week course. And on top of all of that, guys, if you did want to just sign up as a free member, you can do that too, and that will essentially give you 1 BTC trade per day for free, a completely free setup that we offer for free members. And then obviously on top of that, all the paid members will get 3 paid trade setups, as well as all the indicators and strategies that we are continuously posting over on the Telegram. Now over to the Discord for a second, guys, because there's so much stuff happening on there at the moment. The Discord itself here we actually post new projects, so alpha, early insider info about new project launches and stuff like that, as you can see there. And if you did want to get involved with that, you can simply go to the link in the description and join. We also offer loads of live TA in there, and also trading alerts. And yeah, there's loads of different stuff in there, so make sure you go check it out, guys. Community chats, meme chats, weekly giveaways as well. If you are interested in committing to yourself and becoming a patron member, you can do that. Just follow the link in the description, and also the Discord link will be there for you to join as well. Thank you ever so much for watching this video, guys. If you made it this far, comment Jasmy in the comment section, and you'll be entered into a giveaway this week, which we will be posting live over in the Discord, where you can actually win. We basically spin the wheel and you can win a certain amount of supply of coin of a specific asset, whatever it lands on. Okay, so make sure you comment Jasmy and I'll enter you into that giveaway. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.